This is very good one. This is actually the very important in any programming language you go. So, but it is something very cool. In array in JavaScript is a data type. You just said it. Variable also. Variable is variable. Variable has many data type, right? So now you can say, well, why the variable? Why the array? Right? It is used to store multiple items in a single variable. See, it just said it. It is used to store multiple items in a single variable. But let is first name Shiblu, last name Ahmad, right? And the nickname ABC, whatever. So you are calling each single variable separately using the let or constant. So that's there actually the scope of use those variable. But the array is different. Array says you can actually multiple things you can actually store in an array. So it is special. That's it. And so syntax you see that with the braces. We call the braces. Start with the braces and end with the braces. We can store a number, a string, or object in an array. All the number, all the name, right? Animal type, right? Animal. Monkey, right? Deer, right? Horse. They're actually all the animal name. Animal feet, right? So monkey has a feet, lion has a feet. You can say it, anything. So it's a, you are actually storing many things similar under the same array name. So that's what it does. And the other one, let and the constant, they just store, they are being used or they will be used always by the storing the single value. And then finally, an array can be created with the constructor method also. We'll be learning the more details, right? So you see the in the right side example, constant language, Python, Java, JavaScript, Golang. The moment you see this, even though it is a variable, you see the braces, in the programmer, they know it is a array type of variable. Simple as this. Okay, so if you take the constant language, English, so it is actually, they know one variable only. But this one, I know this is a constant type of variable, data type, basically. Good, next. Okay, so what is it? So again, we are following the same thing. Array holds ordered collection of items while object hold the key value pairs. Okay, so you'll know what is all this thing. The why, they organize and store complex data structure in an accessible way. When use array to store list of elements or actions, and object store structured data like test credential, right? Yes. Where when you need to manage and iterate through list of data and represent the structured data. Again, an advantage, it makes data manipulation and access more systematic and efficient approach. Disadvantage, improper use can lead to performance issues and with larger data sets and complexity. Yeah, so that's everything has some disadvantage. Now, how we are already showing, define an array or object to group related data which can be used throughout your test. Remember, this type of problem, the hands-on in-depth will be shown when we do the JavaScript, because those will go, each of this, the section can go like 20 to 30 minutes. So with the hands-on practice, we are not going to do today. So this is actually the advantage, disadvantage, and finally how to use it. An array we are going to use in the test automation. Good, can we go next? Okay,